Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Holy Bibles account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Holy Bibles account, firstly go ahead and open your Holy Bible application. The home page of Holy Bible application will appear on the screen. Tap on Sign In option at the top right corner of the page. On the next page, tap on Continue with Email. Enter your first and last name, your email address, and create a password for your Holy Bibles account, then tap on Create Account option. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. A confirmation mail will be sent to your email address for verification. Open your mail sent by Holy Bible and click on Confirm Account. This is how you can sign up for your Holy Bibles account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.